Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. And welcome to the Quick Code channel. We will learn here everything about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and all programming languages that are definitely we use the tricks that are very easy to learn, and you can learn and grab your job very easily, very definitely. So let's start our topic. The first topic we are going to make a video on is HTML5 basics. So the first thing is you have to know about what is coding actually. It is a way to instruct the computer what you want to get. Okay, you can tell the computer to print something, you can automate your stuff to do particular thing on particular days or dates, or you can arrange events through coding, or you can make your own virtual assistant through coding. You can do anything you want. Okay, and another thing is what you like every line you write on computer will do any extra thing for you. Like if you write something, like if you write print hello world, it will print something, the text inside you write, like it will print. If you write hello world, it will print hello world. So every line tells the computer to do a specific or something, a specific task. So from coding we can communicate to computer language, so to communicate with computer there are many languages like C++, C Sharp, and HTML. HTML is beyond the scope of programming languages. It is a markup language, but it also considered as a programming language, but it is we are considering it as a coding language to do something with computer. So it is very easy to learn, and you will grab on it and you will get grip on it very easily and very quickly. So the next question that raised in our heads are, where do we write our code? So to write our code there are many text editors. So a text editor is a basic thing that in which you can read, write, or edit a text or your code. So Notepad is a very good example for it, and you can write your code in Notepad, but for advanced and you want to make a very good stuff, you have to be check your own text editor that you feel comfortable on. So I am using Visual Studio for this. It's totally up to you if you like to use Notepad, Notepad++, Atom, or anything. But I am using Visual Studio because I love it and it is very easy to learn, and there and many Emmet extensions there are available in Visual Studio that will help you to write your code very easily and quickly. And there are some very cool shortcuts in Visual Studio that is not available in Notepad yet. So for a very beginners, if you want to remember your code, you should write your code in Notepad, simple Notepad. But if you want to make a very good pages, so just go ahead and download Visual Studio Code by just writing on Google download Visual Studio, and you will just click on the first link, the very most first link, and you just download it. And with no time you will after downloading it, you have Visual Studio installed on your PC and you can write your code on it. I will teach you from very zero to advanced, so don't worry if you don't understand it right now. So the next thing is, what is HTML? Actually you are talking too much about HTML and programming languages and stuff like that, but can you please tell me what is HTML? HTML is a language for creating web pages and for structuring things in a specific order. So this definition I wrote it, you can't understand, maybe you can't understanding it right now, but later you will understand what does it mean. HTML is a language. So HTML, I can abbreviate it like HTML stands for hyper, H for hyper, T for text, M for markup, and L for language. But what does it mean like that, hypertext markup language? I will tell you with using tags and other things. Oh wait, what are tags actually? So let's dive into it and let's see about tags. Tags are basically a thing that tells the browser that a specific content has specific ability. Like here I'm using a p tag. Every tag or every element, it is an element. So every element closed in tags. The greater than and less, the less than and greater than symbol is united in HTML as tags. So and p is the element. So this when we enclose p in these tags, then we call a whole thing, it is a tag of p, and p denotes as a paragraph. So I can say that this content is a paragraph. You can write a very long paragraph of 300,000 words. It's totally up to you. And the next very important thing is that when you close any tag in HTML, not any tag but most tags, we close with / and then the element name that we start with. So we started a p tag here and then we close the p tag, so we close in this way. So the p tag denotes that it is a paragraph tag. So our next tag is heading tag, h1 tag. H1 is the very biggest heading for your content. So I'm using here h1 and then /h1. H1 is the very biggest heading, and here's the content of the H1, and I will let you know the results of it. But first, just look how we can use these tags. Don't try to remember it, you will learn it very fastly and with no time. So structures of HTML is very important. You have to learn the structure of HTML first. So to make a good structure, you just need to first make a tag. You just need to make a tag of HTML and then close the HTML. Then body tag, an opening body tag, and then a closing body tag. What is body tag actually? The content, the page of the web page is a body. Is totally the content of a web page is totally inside the body tag. So we use body tag to tell the browser that the things coming inside this tag or nested in body tag is you have to display on a web browser or web page. Okay, so then there is h1 tag for very biggest heading, and then a p tag for a paragraph. Here is a very basic meaning of this HTML and /HTML tag describes the web page. The body is visible page content, and h1 is displayed a heading, and p displayed a paragraph. As simple as it is. So let's make a web page using these things. So let's do it. I just minimize it. Here I am, and bring a notepad here and make it a little bigger font size for you. So first of all, I use the tag HTML. And what does it mean? I told you that it tells the browser that it is a hypertext markup language page, and every web page has this thing. /html for closing this page. Here our page is closing, and inside this we wrote our other stuff that this page is including this stuff. Then I use a body tag and then simply close the body tag by just forward slash. I just copy paste it for making your time useful. Okay, and I indent it with tab that will make you looking easily, and then I just use h1 and /h1. That means that here our heading is starting, here our heading is starting, and here is its ending point. And I'm going to write this, this is my first heading. Okay, and then I just write an next tag of paragraph tag, and then just close this paragraph tag and write this is my paragraph. So we write our code in a text editor called Notepad, and then just we are going to save it. Now here the little trick for you, just use Ctrl+S, and then it will ask you where you want to save it, and then just write here your web page name you want. Like your web page name is awesome. Okay, and wait a minute, yes, awesome dot. Now the .txt is a text file that Notepad saves the files by default, but for now we are making an HTML page, so we use an extension of HTML, so .html. We save every page with .html, and then just click on save, and our page is created. Just we go to desktop and see here it is our awesome.html web page is created. You can look at the icon of this, it is by default a Google Chrome icon. So just we are going to double click on it, and you can see it in no time. Here you can see this is my first heading, this is my paragraph. Okay, so you can see the heading is bold and the font size is little bit stronger, but here the paragraph is in maybe 16 pixels or maybe. So this is our very basic web page that you just created. Congratulations very much, and thanks for watching this video. And if you like our channel, go ahead and subscribe, click on subscribe button, and for more updates the updates will come to you and make your knowledge more enhanced. So bye bye.